Hi, my name is Lydia Waterman, and today I'm going to introduce you to two fitness websites designed for individuals of all fitness levels hoping to improve their overall health. A usability test was conducted on MyFitnessPal and Lose It websites. After analyzing the usability of these two websites, I can conclude that Lose It ranked higher than MyFitnessPal. In this video, I will be showing you the recipe function, which is the task that Lose It scored lowest in. First, let's take a look at the recipe function on MyFitnessPal. The recipe function can easily be found on the MyFitnessPal website. First, you go to Food, and next to Recipes. Recipes can easily be input from links found online. They can also be searched for. This is the easiest way to find a recipe. Users can also input their own recipes manually. Once a recipe is created, users can match the ingredients to be put on a grocery list. Next, users can adjust the serving size to fit their needs. The pictures on the MyFitnessPal recipe function website enhance the overall engagement. Lastly, recipes can be logged in the daily food diary. The recipe function is straightforward and easy for new fitness users to learn. Next, let's take a look at the recipe function on the Lose It website. The recipe function can easily be found on the home page under Add Food. However, when a food is searched on the recipe function database, no search results are found. Overall, the recipe function on MyFitnessPal ranked higher than on Lose It. This is one example of how the usability test was used to score the fitness websites based on their efficiency, effectiveness, engagement, error tolerance, and ease to learn. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.